What's up everybody, my name is Jack and you're watching Random Panda Resellers. Today's video, we're heading out to a couple of Goodwills, and as you're about to see, ended up finding several great items. So stay tuned and I'll see you all there. Alright, we're at the Guthrie Goodwill. Found a really good item to look for. It's a brand called Poncho. These are amazing. If you don't know, these sell for like 50-60 bucks and super quickly. This does have staining on it, as you can see here. I'm gonna try it out and see if I can remove it. This brand, even with stains, is usually just amazing. If I can't get them out, they'll sell for like 20 or 30 and make my money back. It is $6.79. Definitely look for that brand. It sells super fast. Then I found some Ariat rebar. These are the M4. Looks like they're kind of a cargo style. Carpenter. It's good shape, needs to be thrown in the wash, but they're only $7.29. Should be easy 35-40 bucks. Keep going through, see what else we find. Now this is a pretty good brand you've all heard of, called Mountain Hardware. This is like a really particular brand. Some of the stuff from it is not so great, other stuff is good. This is a nice like hoodie shirt, maybe UPF F1, size 2XL. I think I've seen them going for $30-35 if I find the exact style. It's $6.79, so not too bad. Should sell super quickly, being 2XL and being come fall. Definitely this type of stuff will sell a lot better. We're in the men's shirts. Keep looking through, see what we find. So here's a new brand called Banded Gear, Banded and Lifestyle Apparel. As you can see, it's a like hunting camo t-shirt and it's brand new. Got a $55 price tag right there. Comps are going for like 40-50 bucks. The sell-through rates are just kind of okay, so might be able to get 30-35 bucks for it. It is only like $6.79 I think on the tag. Let me let you all know what you think of this. Have you ever heard of this brand? Has it done any well for you? Probably take a chance, see what happens, since it is brand new and it's a decent size large as well, so see what happens. Camo hunting gear usually sells pretty well, especially come fall. Alright, just went through the shoes, found two pair of Ultras. Oh, it's a little bit dirty, but decent shape, still decent tread. Here's the other one here. They're each 12 bucks, but Ultras sell amazing for like 40 bucks, so sometimes even more than that, like 50. I just throw them in the wash, they'll clean up nicely, sell super quickly. We're gonna check out through all the dresses and see if we find anything. Haven't been through here in a while at the Guthrie Goodwill. We'll see. All right, we're in the women's tops. Found two things. New brand called Saga Linen. Comps are going for about $30-35, just like Flax or Highling Fisher and all, so not too bad. We found this really cool looking Lululemon. I presume it's restless. Here's the logo right there. Should sell easy 30 bucks, especially fall. These sell amazing. So we'll keep going through, see what else we find. So I just found another Da Nang. This one is quite wild, as you can see on the pant leg here. Super crazy looking. This should sell for $40-50 bucks. These are super elaborate brand. Also found a couple other things. Ooh. This is a brand called Proper Cloth. This is a nice linen button-up shirt. Didn't really see any issues with it. Should sell for $30-35. And then a really cool looking Rock Mount Aztec flannel. Should sell for probably 30 bucks or so. Not too bad. We're in the women's pants. See what else we find. Alright, we're at our next Goodwill and found two things so far. First up, some linen Ralph Lauren. Was originally $12.99. It's half off all red tags, so this is going to be like $6.50. Probably because 13 bucks is a little high. Nobody wanted to pay that, so now I got it for $6.50. Next up are these Harley Davidson. These are definitely vintage, made in USA, as you can see here. These are actually rain pants. $11.99. They were red tag. They're gonna be like $6 now since they're half off, which is pretty awesome. So should sell for like 35, 40 bucks. Keep looking through, see what else we find. So I just went through all the men's stuff, found several great items. First up, some Peter Millar wool. This is the older tag, as y'all can see. I think this is $7.79. Should sell for an easy 30 bucks. Next up, great brand, Arc'teryx. This is nice little Henley. These will sell probably 30, 40 bucks. Definitely look out for this brand. It sells for a ton. This is a great brand called Emmanuel Berg. Nice button up here. Usually the more elaborate, the better. I think I sold like a paisley one for 40 bucks, 35, 40 bucks, not too long ago. So probably a $30 shirt. This is a brand called Stenstrom's. This is a great shirt to look out for. It's buttoned up. Sells amazing for like 30, 40, so not too bad. Another great brand, some Outer Known. Still sells amazing. It is very small, but should sell pretty quick for 25, 30. And then last but not least, this is probably the best item. This is Ape with 2 A's by Bathing Ape, or Bape, whatever you want to call it. It's legitimate? I have no idea. If it is, probably a $50, $60 t-shirt, maybe more than that. Definitely look out for that brand. Alright, just went through the men's or women's pants, found 2 things. Some outdoor research pants, as you see here. These sell amazing for 30, 40 bucks if you ever see it. Is right there. Great brand to look for. And I found some men's Lululemon without being marked up. $5.29. It's likely the men's, I would say, just because of the style of it. If I can find the size, it would prove it, whether or not it is or not. But for $5, these will sell for easy 25, 30, so not too bad. Head out to our next thrift store, see what we can find. All right, we're at our next Goodwill. Found a couple things. Found 2 very small Lululemon shorts. These are both $5.29. I'm outside the Danforth Goodwill. Lululemon shorts sell amazing. It is getting the wrong time of year, but they should sell still pretty quickly. Then I found this Ralph Lauren. Somebody like bleached it out. You see, it's super cool looking. It's got the big pony and everything. It's got the tag. It might even be purposeful, so this should be easy 30 bucks probably. So not too bad for $3.99. We're gonna keep going through the men's pants, see what else we find. All right, found a new brand. I guess somewhat new brand. I've heard of this before, called Joa Brown. My dad ended up finding one of these not too long ago. As you can see, it's $7.29. Comps are going for about 40 to 50. Here's a 48, 50, 49.99. Sweet, that is awesome. So definitely look out for that. I think it had a roughly 50% sell-through rate, so not too shabby. All right, I came across a new brand. Never heard of it. It is called PLST, as you can see here. I guess it's a Japanese company, because when I was using Google Lens, this was all Japanese writing. Called from a brand called Link Theory. I'll show you some of the things here. They have them for like $100. None have actually sold, obviously, but they're all located in Japan, so I don't know. Might not be a bad idea to try it out. They feel really high quality too. Yeah, I might take a chance on that and see if I get 40, 50 bucks. That'd be awesome. Let me know in the comments if you ever heard of that brand before. We keep looking, see what else we find. All right, we're in the men's shorts and found some Diesel Industries denim shorts. These are called the Crew Short. It's an interesting name. Comps were going for like crazy money. Some for like 80, 90 bucks for these. It is missing a drawstring, which that sucks, but $5.29, like 40, 50. Pretty good deal. Keep looking through the shorts, see what else we can find. All right, found some more shorts. These are some Ralph Lauren. As See if I can show that tag. There you go. And they're military issued. If you ever see this little tag here, it's automatic military. Nice cargos. These should sell easy 30-40 bucks. Does have a little bit of a mark here. Let's see if that comes out, but for $5.7, was it $5.29? Definitely get that. Also found some polyester Peter Millar shorts. Not exactly sure on the style. I'll show it for you. Probably 30 bucks. And then some Peter Millar wicking pants. These are also polyester, so try to find the exact style on all of these. Should be probably $30-40 pants, so not too bad. Found two things so far. Men's button-ups. First up, it's a great brand to look for called Stio. This is a nice pearl snap from them. I don't know if I've ever found a pearl snap from them, but this should be probably 30-40 bucks, which is amazing. Definitely look out for this brand. And I found some Lululemon. This is probably just like a surge warm long sleeve. These sell easy 30 bucks. And we'll check out that rack right over there, see what they got. All right, we're in the women's section so far. Found this in the men's actually, but it's a great brand called True Work. This is a B1 sun hoodie. I guess that's the style of it. They were going for like 30-35 bucks. So $7.79 to that. Not too bad. Next I got some Kalesa, or yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it, for $3. All red tags are half off, so it's very nice. Should sell for 25 or so. And this is an interesting Lululemon like pullover thing. Also, this is like $4 since it's half off of $8.29, so not too bad. Keep going through the women's, see what else we find. As you all saw, ended up finding a ton of fantastic items at the thrift stores right there. If you all like this video, definitely hit that like button, and if you aren't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you want to watch another video, I'll show it on my right or left, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks!